Welcome back to Modern Day Street Ride. Please like, follow, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Trying to get to 10,000 followers. Please be one of them. And here we are. Today, shave the antenna right there. Used to be right there. Gone. Adios. No need for it. Especially nowadays, I use Pandora. I don't know about you. I use Bluetooth. I never use the radio. I don't even know what a good radio station is anymore. Pandora's free. I mean, come on now. So anyways, so that's where we're at. Did a little work to the fender. Got to do a little more work to the side skirt on the passenger side. Passenger side will be done then. Take it outside, take some pictures. Maybe, take it for a little drive around the block. Have it driven in like 2 months.